Hi there, thanks for joining us for today's video guide. In this one, we will be looking at creating flooring within Vertex BD that includes a drop notch. This is a really straightforward and easy process to undertake within our software. As you can see, to start with, we have a section of flooring modelled within the modelling window. This is just a simple floor structure put together for this example with no special settings, etc. First, we switch from our 3D view to our 2D view, and we then select our flooring structure. We then select our plywood sheathing layer and utilize the clip function as shown. Using the clip function, we create an area to have as our drop notch section within the floor structure. In this case, we make a square clip area and select OK. With that completed, we select our clipped area, and then from the ribbon menu, we select the Add option and then Offset from within here. In this case, we offset by -100, but you can choose your offset as required for your building. With that completed, we then select the entire floor structure and utilize Generate Parts to complete adding our drop notch to our floor. This can now be seen within our floor framing as shown on screen. As you can see, it's a really easy process to create a drop notch within Vertex BD. Thanks again for joining us for another tips and tricks video, enabling you to get the most out of your Vertex BD software.